dun, 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 dun. We get springs, right? Now keep in mind what's going to happen. This car is going to roll down the hill. It's going to hit this spring. It's going to compress it. And then the spring's going to fling it back. And since there's no friction losses here, it'll go back up to the top of the hill and be going 5.8 meters per second at the top of the hill. This is why they don't use springs as traffic stoppers. They use barrels full of water or sand, because those stop, but they don't fling you back into traffic, you know? Okay, so let's see. It's better to use a dissipative force here. So what we've got here, I think we've got potential energy because it's on a hill, kinetic energy because it's moving, right? So mgh plus 1/2 mv squared. And then at the bottom here, it is the cart has compressed this some distance, but it's still moving 4.2 meters per second. So it's still has some kinetic energy. And the remaining energy is being stored in this spring. So the spring is 1/2 k x squared. So this is a 2 to 2. The potential and kinetic here turns into the potential that or the kinetic that it still has, because it's moving, right? And then the rest of it's stored in that spring. The mass, by the way, isn't going to cancel from this. So 450 then 1/2 equals 1/2. Let's see, it's going to still be going 4.2, right? No, you know, why we care exactly, you know, I don't know, but I can solve it. 1/2, 15,000. That's a stiff spring. And this is what we're trying to solve, is how much it's been compressed. What distance will it compress? Okay, so let's do some math here. 450 times 9.81 times 1.75. And then I'm going to add this. I'm just going to do this all in one step. So plus 0.5 times 450 times 5.8 squared. And this whole left side is 15,294.375 is equal to, and then this term here is 0.5 times 3696. Wait, 3969 plus 1/2 15,000 x squared. So I'm going to subtract, right? So I'm going to go this guy minus this guy. And now I've got 11,325.375 equals 1/2 15,000 x squared. Okay, so times 2 divided by 15,000, and I get 1.51005 is x squared, and now I need to square root that, right? And I get that x equals 1.22884, and it just keeps going. Okay, so let's see, we round it to this place, so x is 1.23 meters.